National President ke National People's Party Konrad ke sangma ubadai ru menteri rangba ke jala Meghalaya uloang baka parti kampat shemekara ïano ban ai tiket ban yakun ya ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat. Halor ki kubor bau Bah Hima shang pliang MLA berim ke Mausen Ram ubadang shuya so shen syaka NPP ulak ban yakun ya ke election MP Konrad uloang baka parti kampat ai ktiani nrei kan sayo kurtong uban job bat ke parti kambu kendon ïano ru habaki wan ya so syaka parti. Haba kelipat halor ketura Lok Sabha seat uloang baka jingyet banyak kadang yat halor gi khubor bo James ke sangma MLA berim bat uhenmen jong Konrad bo unla ban yakun na ketika constituency bo mi khmat da ka agatha ke sangma Konrad uloang bo unu ru ula ban apply ya ka tiket.
Regarding the Lok Sabha candidature, we have started our exercise, and the party is screening a large number of candidates. And at the same time, we will give appropriate opportunity to individuals who would like to apply and contest on the party ticket. So it will be a process, and it will be a democratic process, I should say, where we will allow people to participate and share their desire to contest, and then accordingly we will choose the candidate based on winnability and other factors. No, as I said, that joining a political party is, of course, we welcome everybody, and we have always told everybody that joining has to be not based on any condition as such. I'm not talking about this certain individual, I'm talking about in general. So in general, everybody joins for the purpose of serving the people and the state and working through a particular political party. So that's the objective, and that's how we would see it. And of course, as I said, if any individual, whoever is in the party, would like to apply for ticket, they can apply for the party. Again, the same process. We will go through a screening process. Of course, we have a sitting MP out there, and hence, obviously, there is a certain consideration for the incumbent and sitting MP. But again, as I said, we have a full committee that processes the entire ticketing, so therefore that process will also happen for 2 rounds. As I said, they're all different individuals can apply, and we will scrutinize. The process is same for all, so the process will be followed. We'll see. We'll discuss with everybody and then decide. So we have not really gone so much into the discussion, but